Hi, it's Harris from footballbet.net, and I'm here to show you the 2011 version of iBetFootball Pro. This is our football mobile app that predicts upcoming games based on previous statistics, hitting 60% against the spread each year. The first thing you need to do when you download the app and install it on iTunes and onto your device is press the disclaimer button, and you either have to read the disclaimer and make sure you agree with it and press accept at the bottom, and now the app is unlocked. If you didn't do that, the app will not be functional. The next thing I suggest you do is press the instructions. You click on instructions and you please read the instructions as best you can in detail all the way to the end. That way you'll get the most out of the app and you'll understand all the different features that the app shows. Going back, the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the extras tab the first week and download the week's data. You'll be doing this every week from on Wednesday. About no later than 11 p.m. will be the data file available for the upcoming weekend games. For instance, I just put a test file out there that you'll have because this app is not functional until the third weekend of the regular season games. So the first thing you get it's going to have this test file. You press the download file down here, and it's going to download the file from our website over Wi-Fi or 3G, and it's going to put all the data in the app. And then the next thing to do is after that you get a message saying it's been downloaded. You're going to apply the file, and that way it'll update the app with the information you downloaded. Let's give it a second. It happens actually a lot quicker on the app. It's just my computer's a little old. So, okay, it downloaded successfully. Okay, and then you apply the file, and it's applied successfully. Okay, now we can go down and see all the games. Master View here or Games View, those are two ways of looking at the games. Here's one game. Actually, there's a bunch of games, but sorted in betting order in terms of best bets are on top in green. Then, I should say best bet plus are in green. You'll have to understand a little bit more about the betting. If you read the instructions, you'll see what variance points and how many are needed to get best bet plus. And here shows you to predict the score and the variance, and then you can press any row. It'll take you to a statistic breakdown, and you can press and see how, and actually on a different line, and compare and see how each stat is done. And then when you're ready to analyze this game, it's going to you click the analyze game button. It's going to show you the predicted score, the point spread, and if it's a good bet. Here the Chiefs are favored by, the Chiefs are going to win the game by 14 points, but the 49ers are favored by 2 points. That's a big difference. That's like a 14-point variance, 17-point variance. So that's a great bet, best bet plus. But for instance, say the spread changes, and you're going to say here the spread is 10 points. So you're going to press done, and the spread will be 10 points, and now it's a different kind of bet. The variance is only 4, so it's only a good bet. So now we can go back to the, also we could leave a note for here's an under-over analysis, and you could also press the over on the, change the point spread on the betting over-under. Note, if you want to add a note about the game, you press here, and you could put a note about the game spread variance. I'm just going to write anything, but you leave yourself notes. Next version, it's going to be note is a great game. The next version is going to be auto-populated with the title. And save the note, and then you can go back and look at it later. Okay, now we're going to go back to the master view. Like I said, Games View is another way of looking at the games. Here's all the other games line by line, and you can click on the game again, take into the game statistics view. Up here are some comments that may be pertinent when it comes to betting on the game. Basically, here's the extras. We went back, we're going to go back on the extras. There's other things. Betting resources is where there's a whole bunch of different information about betting, types of bets, football game factors, the yards per point, turnover. You click on any of these, and it's a article that you could read and then give you some information. Betting tips on this line, there's a whole bunch of subfolders that have different information about different types of bets, record keeping, games information, different types, flat betting. You'll have to read each article, get a lot of information there. Going back, we have the stat comparison. So each week this will be updated with the current stats, and for instance, yard allowed, we could see which teams are the best in yards allowed. Click on a headline, column header, and it'll sort ascending or descending. Going back, those different, we did that. The current records is a way of showing for each team what their record is and against the spread, home and away, and over-under, and the great betting information there. And you could just choose whatever team it updates. Game notes we went to, this is where we did before. We could leave a note. We could edit that. I'll go back to that. Team news is for each team. You click on the team, and it gives you the information from the NFL RSS feed. Another thing, we can go back. That headlines of the NFL. That's over there. Top headlines. Rating percentage index is the power ranking of each team, what their ranking is and their percentage index, and it shows you a little bit more about how it's calculated down here. So you read that. Download week, like I said, by each week by Wednesday evening there'll be a file available for the upcoming week to download. So you got to go there, download the file, and apply the file. Here's schedule. This is the 2011 schedule within the app, and it's going to be available to view either by team or by week. It's loading up, I think. Maybe it's running. I'm not. It should be running. I think it's just hard to see. It's downloading the information into the app, and here it is by week or by team. It takes a lot. The first time it loads up, it takes a while. After that, it's already in there. So here for week 2, these are all the different teams that are playing on week 2, or you can go by team and see which team, like for Panthers, what's their schedule like upcoming, and here's all the games against the Panthers. So that's the schedule. And here, press to learn about using this app on your computer. This app is derived from our footballbet.net spreadsheet, which is, in addition to the app, has other features and allows you to do other, obviously, things on the computer, printing and saving and manipulating data a little bit differently than they have on the app. But they both use the same underlying formula. Here's our Facebook and Twitter accounts for us. We're going to be doing some stuff. You check out, and app info. Here's different things, frequently asked questions, information about the app, updated scores, injuries. Here's the demos we're going to be looking at, other videos and things that I could update there. The other thing we wanted to show, the quiz. The last but not least is the quiz. And here's a football quiz. We're going to be having a contest this year about who has the highest score and getting some good prizes. So here's, I'm going to say, Moon. Wrong. Okay, oh, we know. This was the one with the Redskins, right? What the hell was the number, though? That's not it. Wrong. Anyway, it's pretty hard, so you got to know your football trivia for this. Nah, it can't be right. Brett Favre. Oh gosh, it's not the Falcons, I think. Yeah, first down. Okay. Anyway, back to that. And that's about it. You want to go back to the main. That's the main screen. Here's our website. If you want to check out a little information on the website, and purchasing this app allows you a spreadsheet discount. Oh yeah, we were saying on the spreadsheet using this app. Here's they give you a great discount on the website for the spreadsheet by buying the app. Games. So everything else is here. I hope you enjoy iBetFootball Pro 2011 for the iPhone and iPod Touch. If you have any questions, please email us at web@footballbet.net. Within the app, you could email us, and also if you need to leave any comments, please email us if you have any questions before that. Thank you. Bye.